Hello, today I'm going to talk about gas and why I believe in a refillable solution. Now, I've talked about refillable solutions for many years. In many of my videos, I go into this subject, and now I'm going to say exactly what I am doing about it. Now, one thing I don't think you need are these things. These are gas bottles. You buy it full of gas, and when you use the gas, or nearly all the gas, you take it back and then you exchange it for an empty one for a full one. So I believe it's better to get a refillable solution, and that's what I'm going to talk about. Now, there's two reasons why you want refillable. Number one, and I think this is the best reason, is because these things, when they are full, are very heavy. And often in many vans, they're in difficult to use places. So number two reason, it's the cost. If you actually buy gas, it works out a lot cheaper. A canister, like the one I just showed you, in the United Kingdom, it costs £35, whereas to fill it up, well, it's around 80 pence per litre at the pump. So it's well under half the price by the time you actually fill it up. Now, for a refillable solution, I have one in my van currently from a company called Safefill. But today, this has turned up. See, GasBank, and I shall now unbox it. Instructions. I'll put them to one side. Hose, that is to connect it to the outside. So this is from the company GasBank, and you can get one yourself. I shall show you the advantages of using something like this. Now, the one I've got at present is from a company called Safefill, which means both the entry and exit, that's to say when you fill it up and when it comes out, there's only one entrance and exit for the gas. This one here from GasBank has got two. That means, for example, it's much easier. You don't have to keep on unscrewing it and screwing it every time you actually use it. Furthermore, you've got a dial there, and you can see how much gas is in it. And so you don't really have to sort of try and guess when it runs out. But this is one big advantage of the refillable solution, any refillable solution, because you can't see how much gas is in one of them non-refillable things. And so what you do is you've got the chance of getting some new gas. Then you might have a tank that's a quarter full, but you exchange it because it's winter and you don't know when you're going to need it next. So I shall be installing this in my van as soon as I can. My van is currently at the mechanic, so I can't do it at the present, but I think this is something you really ought to consider. Now, you can see it's got 80% overfill protection. That's to say you can't put more than 80% into it. It's made of composite plastics. It will burn rather than blow up. So you want to make a bomb out of it. It's not suitable for doing that type of thing. And finally, there's the address, gasbank.com. Available in the UK and in Poland, I suppose anywhere really by internet, isn't it? So I shall be putting this in very soon.